Hi everyone, this is Curious Nisha and welcome back to my channel. Did we just witness the most heart-melting reunion ever? Yes, you saw that right. Dylan Wang hugged Shen Yu and Kinlan in a group hug, and fans are absolutely losing it. The short video clip attached here may have been just seconds long, but the emotions overflowing. The moment they stepped closer and wrapped into that warm group hug, it instantly felt like family. And of course, fans could not stop playing it. Some even said, "Look how happy he looks." Others noticed how natural and comfortable they were. No awkwardness, just pure, genuine affection. It was not staged, it was not forced, it felt real. And seeing Dylan Wang stand between Shen Yu and Kinlan like that gave major close bond energy. The smiles, the soft expressions, the warmth, you could literally feel the happiness through the screen. Many fans said they were crying watching it because it's been a while since we have seen them interact like this. That group hug felt symbolic, like friendship, respect, and shared memories all in one frame. And moments like this remind everyone why they love them so much. It was not dramatic, it was not loud, just one simple hug. And the entire fandom, Vision fans, melted. Yes, we absolutely loving every detail of Shenyu and Dylan Wang reunion in the In variety show season 4. So tell me now, how many times did you replay that clip? Comment below and also share your thoughts on our Dijon babies. And their variety show will be aired tonight at Mingo TV 8 p.m.